Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Bliss. Welcome. Yeah. So today's another update of the Wonder Grow. So I just wanted to follow up with you. As you guys can see, I do have some growth going on here. So my baby hairs on this side, which is one of my struggling sides, has grown a lot. Yes, and I'm pleased. I'm happy thus far with the results. I look forward to the new results in the future. Here's my other side, and these baby hairs are flourishing just beautifully. I am falling in love all over again with my natural hair. If you're new tuning in, hit that bell to notification so that you will be alerted of new videos. Click that thumbs up button, you guys, and show me some support and let me know that you're feeling these videos. And lastly, join us and become a part of this tulip family. We would love to have you. It's free. So this is the back. This is my tapered area, and I see here that I have a little struggling spot there, but I'm hoping that it grows back in full soon. I'm going to continue to nourish those areas. So here's some more new growth that has been going on just throughout my hair, as you guys saw. If you're not following me on the IG, there's my information right there. Go ahead and follow me there. So let's really see how much progress we've actually made. So what I'm going to do is take down just a few braids here. So that's what I'm doing here. I don't think you guys need a tutorial on how to take out braids. I mean, it's self-explanatory, right? So I got my red tail comb here, and this is just to create a background to make it easier for you guys to really just see my hair. So here's some of the hair that I took out. So you can see where I initially braided the hair in, because you can see the indent and where the product buildup is. And then you can see my new growth above that. So some growth has been going on, or have been going on. Here we go again, same thing. Here you can see the indent from where the braid was initially installed, and right above it, you can see the new growth that took place. So I've combed it out, and as you guys can see, my sides slowly but surely are growing down below my ear. So stay tuned for further updates. Smooches.